Open the pod bay doors, Hal.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
I mean, with artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon. You know those stories where there's the guy with the pentagram and the holy water, and he's like, yeah, he's sure he can control the demon. Didn't work out.
The field of artificial intelligence is pushing new boundaries.
There's a fundamental moral issue about whether it's right for a machine to decide to kill a person. It's bad enough that people are deciding to kill people.
If robotics were allowed to fully develop and they were autonomous, killer robots, as I like to call them, they would be able to be programmed, set free, and make the decisions about when, where, who, and how to attack.
The point here is that we should not be confident in our ability to keep a super intelligent genie locked up in its bottle forever. Sooner or later, it will out.
Musk tweeted Saturday, "Worth reading, Superintelligence by Bostrom. We need to be super careful with AI, potentially more dangerous than nukes."
Bill Gates is scared of super intelligent machines, and he thinks you should be too. The picture he painted in his Reddit Ask Me Anything session was ominous at best.
Various industry experts believe artificial intelligence, or robots, or digital agents are coming in droves to eliminate jobs in popular fields. This ultimately leading to creating greater income inequality, rising unemployment, and social chaos.
Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking are among some of the scientists who have signed a letter urging researchers to calm down with artificial intelligence.
And Gates isn't the only tech giant who shares that perspective.
Stephen Hawking was one of the first to sound the alarm. He said artificial intelligence may be the biggest event in human history, and it may also be the last event in human history.
The primitive forms of artificial intelligence we already have proved very useful. But I think the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race.